112 minutes is 76% of what? Of what means I'm going to have a variable, so I'm going to call you x because I don't know what u is. Now, what is an equal sign. 112 minutes, what's minutes? Who cares? 112 is 76% of x. Now, it all depends on the teacher that you have, but what I have is a one-step equation, and what I have to do is divide both sides by 76%. So I'm going to split this up into two problems that'll end up doing the same thing. It all depends on what type of calculator you have, because you're definitely going to need a calculator for this. But equation number one is going to be like, teacher's going to be like, all right, kids, plug 112 divided by 76% into your calculator, and you literally type it out just like that. Now, what you'll get when you have that is 147.3684, or at least that's what my phone is telling me. We'll round it to the nearest one decimal place. So since we have 0.36, we'll round it to 4. And my answer is going to be 147.4. So if you have a percent button in your calculator, you're literally going to type out just that guy right here, and then you're done. But what if you don't have a percent button in your calculator? What if you're being asked to do 112 divided by 76% and you can't? Well, then you need to turn 76% into a decimal. The way you take 76% into a decimal is you put the decimal where it's usually supposed to be and move it to the left 2 times and create a brand new decimal. So we're going to do 112 divided by 0.76. You type that guy in your calculator, you get the same exact number, you round it the same exact way, and in either case, you're going to get the same exact number. Okay, it's just what we did on the left side is, hey, what if we have a percent button on the calculator? Then use it. What if we don't have a percent button? Then take that double-digit number and move your decimal to the left twice. Do the same type of math. You're going to get the same thing. Crazy, but not super bad. Like that movie. Super bad.